Ever missed an important delivery or had a package disappear right off your porch without you even knowing it arrived? What if your regular old mailbox could tell you the instant it's opened? Today I'm going to show you how to turn that basic metal box into an instant package notification smart box. We're talking about getting a ping on your phone the moment your mail or package hits your mailbox, giving you total peace of mind and one less thing to worry about. No more guessing games, no more forgotten parcels, and definitely no more porch pirates getting the upper hand. Let's be real, relying on a delivery notification that just says delivered and then hoping your package is safe on your porch isn't exactly a high tech solution. Online shopping has exploded, and with it, the headaches of package management. You've got valuable items sitting out in the rain, or worse, becoming an easy target for opportunistic thieves. Even for regular mail, how many times do you check the box only to find it empty or brimming with junk mail you needed to know about days ago? We live in a smart home era, but our mailboxes are still stuck in the Stone Age. We need a way to know instantly when that delivery truck pulls away and our stuff is secure, or at least ready to be secured. Here's the cool part: you don't need to be an electronics wizard or spend a fortune. All you're going to need is a few super simple, inexpensive items. First up, the brain of our operation, a standard door or window contact sensor. You can find these online for less than 20 bucks, often as low as 10. Brands like Wise, Akara, or any generic Tuya Smart Life compatible sensor will work great. Next, you'll need your smartphone, of course, because that's where your notifications will land. You'll also need the associated smart home app for your chosen sensor, usually something like Smart Life, Tuya, or the brand specific app. If your sensor requires a hub for Wi Fi connectivity, make sure you grab that too. Though many modern sensors connect directly to your home Wi Fi, that's it. No complex wiring, no professional installation, just these few bits and bobs. All right, let's get this thing installed. Grab your contact sensor. It usually comes in two parts: a main sensor body and a smaller magnetic piece. We want to attach these inside your mailbox. The goal is for them to be touching when the mailbox door is closed and separate when it's open. So find a good spot. I usually stick the main sensor body to the inside of the mailbox door itself using the adhesive backing it comes with. Then attach the smaller magnetic piece to the mailbox frame right where it lines up with the main sensor when the door is closed. Make sure they're close enough to register as closed when the door shuts, typically within half an inch. Once they're stuck down firmly, give the door a few open and closes to make sure they don't snag on anything and that they separate cleanly. What happens is when someone opens your mailbox, that connection between the two pieces breaks, and that's what triggers our notification. It's that simple. Now let's get it talking to your phone. Open up your smart home app. You'll go through the usual process of adding a new device. It's usually as easy as tapping Add Device, selecting Contact Sensor or Door Sensor, and following the in app instructions to put the sensor into pairing mode. Once it's connected to your home Wi Fi via the app, you're ready for the best part: setting up the notification. In your app, you'll find an automation or scene section. You'll want to create a rule that says, if the mailbox sensor changes to open, then send a notification to my phone. Hit save, and you're basically done. Now, for the moment of truth, walk over to your mailbox, open the door, and then look at your phone. Ding! You should instantly see a notification pop up saying something like mailbox opened. This is how you'll know instantly the second any mail or package arrives. It's a game changer, giving you that real time alert without you having to constantly check. If you want to take this even further, there are some cool optional upgrades. You could add a tiny battery powered camera inside the mailbox that triggers and records a short clip when the door opens, giving you visual confirmation of who delivered what. Or, for a truly off grid setup, consider a small solar panel to keep your sensor batteries topped up indefinitely. You can even link this to other smart home routines, like having your smart lights flash a certain color when the mailbox opens, or a smart speaker announcing mail's here. This isn't about expensive security systems. It's about a simple, practical, and incredibly effective upgrade to a basic household item. For homeowners, it means knowing exactly when your bills, magazines, or sensitive documents arrive. For online shoppers, it's the ultimate defense against missed deliveries and package theft. You get instant peace of mind, reduce stress, and keep your valuable deliveries safe. It's a small change with a huge impact on your daily life. So, if you're tired of playing the waiting game with your deliveries, this simple DIY smart mailbox notification system is for you. If you found this helpful, check out this video right here for more clever smart home tricks.